Hi, this is the video just walking you through how to sign up into the CloudOps platform and then how to hook in your Azure subscription to do that. So my name's Steve Rastall from CloudOps, and at the end of this, you should have everything working, and it takes about 10 minutes for running one of your trials for, say, cost or whatever else, or just for having a look at the platform. So first of all, we've got the screen. You can have a look through. I'm not going to take you through it word for word. It's quite easy and self-explanatory. Key point here is you've got an option, and the option is you can register for the CloudOps platform and at the same time then hook in your Azure subscription. And if you do want, you could leave that for now and just have a look at the platform and then hook that in later. You'll notice AWS as well. That's a different video. It's a slightly different process to do. This one we're focused on Azure. I'm now going to hit start. Here we just put in some details. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. And there we go. I'm going to create the account. At this point, we're going to be doing Azure, so it's probably worth opening up the subscription that we're going to hook into at this point. You can do multiple, but just for the trial, it's probably worth just picking out one. So we're going to click that. There's two parts to this. The first part is we deploy a template which creates the connection details on the Azure side. You do that by clicking this button. It's very easy. And that's taken us over to the Azure portal. In here, it's asking you two things: which subscription you want to hook into, the CloudOps demo one we've got, and then the region East US, as you can see. We then validate that, review, create, click that, and off we go. We just now got the details, they're confirmed in here, we just check those, and we're going to create. Deployment is initializing, you'll see there. This now shows that's complete. We get your, and we go from there. We then click up in the top bar. We're going to go to the subscription page to get your details. We target this subscription. We then just copy this subscription ID. We can go back into the CloudOps platform now and pop that in. We also need the tenant ID, so we're just going to jump back into the Azure portal. Back in the Azure portal, I'm just going to go here, the ID. I need to now grab this one, the tenant ID. I'm going to copy that back to CloudOps, and we enter that. Now everything's there. We then got a choice where we can pick out regions where you've got your resources deployed. We've got quite a few, but just for quickness, I'll just go North Europe, and we'll take Norway. So next thing, we validate that. All done. Now we know that's okay. We're going to add it because we validated it. There we are. That's all now up and running. The data will start to pile across. So I'm just going to go into the CloudOps platform and just give you a little overview. There's a lot down the left-hand side, as you'll see, different menus, does a lot more. But if you are here for a cost trial, for instance, your recommendations and all data will start to build in here. We've then got a deeper cost piece that we can look into, and after 30 days, the algorithm in the background works out what you can save and gives you that information, and we're quite happy to do a call with that to help get you clear on what can be done. So you'll see here, I'll just pick virtual machines, for instance, and that's where all that data will be in detail. Any questions, get in touch with us. If you find it difficult, we'll help you do it. We'll get on a call, sort that out. You're up and running now. So just a little under 10 minutes, I hope. Thank you. Bye.